weird, crazy, wild child. You already know. For today's video, we are going to be trying hacks from Pinterest. No, don't do that ever again. Okay. I have allergies and, you know, a congested nose. I just came across this Pinterest beauty hack and I was like, ooh, hold up, wait up, bring it back. You said congestion? Okay. So I went to check it out and it's called the Vaporu, wait, what is it called? Shower Cubes. So we're going to be doing that today. Without further ado, let's go. Make this. All right, we are back now with all the ingredients. We're going to be needing 5 tablespoons of water, 1 cup of cornstarch. We're going to be needing that Vaporu and our tray. So let's get these ingredients mixing. Uy, cálmate. Ay, sufro porque quiero. Sufro porque quiero. Denle un like si a ustedes les gusta la mala vida. Porque ya somos 2. O 3. O 4. O 500,000. Vamos a hacer cubitos de Vaporu para la congestión. Ok. Y va a ser, yo no sé cómo se dice cornstarch en español, pero miren. La luz no los deja ver. Cornstarch. 1 cup. 1 cup. ¿Entendido? Ok. Listo. Después del cornstarch le vamos, bueno, primeramente le vamos a cerrar porque no queremos ningún tiradero. Alright, you guys. Before we continue to our next ingredient, we're going to close this up because I'm not trying to make a mess here. I am too lazy to clean up. And I don't have any maids, so. Alright, the next ingredient is water. 5 tablespoons of water.
5 cucharadas de agua. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Ya. Ahí, estuvo. Ya no le eches, si no te pasas. Ok, vamos a cerrar esto también, hoy nomás. Vamos a cerrar esto también porque no queremos cochinero. We're going to close that up, make sure we don't cause any mess. And we're going to now go with the Vaporu. Smart. Bueno, está bien, no hay pedo. Con el dedo. Y aquí no nos dice que cuánta cantidad, ¿verdad? Pero nosotros le vamos a echar. Estamos muy congestionados. So, the recipe or how to make it did not come with how much to put of the Vaporu. It didn't come with any measures. So, because we are really congested, we are going to put how much we think we need. So, I didn't have a proper spoon, so can't tell you guys how much I put. Como no traje la cuchara adecuada para esto. No sé cuánto le eché, así que adivinen. Todo por usar el dedo y no ir a agarrar la cocina. Algo que le quede. Pero bueno, miren. Watchen. Algo así, ¿verdad? That's how much I put, you guys. And next up is we got a little fork here. So now we just mix it all. Mix it all together. Oh, ya lo quebré. Oh, honey. No. India, eso no podía. I already broke it. Ya lo quebré. Ustedes síganle batiendo. Todo por no ir a la pinche cocina. Where's it? I don't think that was the proper amount of water. Y ojalá no se me quite la pinche digestión. ¡Hoy no más! La congestión. All right. My English friends. I just pretty much said a word. Something digestive when I was trying to say congestion. So. Only me. Was this supposed to be like... No. What? Hold on, let me check on these ingredients because look at this. It's just built rocks. Am I supposed to put more water? A ver. Quiero ver. Thick paste, so it is supposed to be pasty. This is not tasty? What is up with me and words? Oh my gosh. Okay, no, it's supposed to be toothpastey. Como pastoso. Y yo aquí veo pura piedra. It's more cornstarch still, so it still hasn't. Or maybe I should just get something that's actually gonna mix this very well.
Duh.
Let me go get something and figure this out because this isn't working. I'm gonna see if adding more water helps the situation. Okay, because it's supposed to be a toothpaste. A toothpaste? Oh my gosh! It's supposed to be pasty. So the note said that it's supposed to be pasty, so we're gonna get it there. Pero lo estamos haciendo juntos a la misma vez, por primera vez, así que... Pero... Bueno. Vamos a agregar agua, a ver si eso sirve. Más agua. ¿Cuáles? 5 cucharadas. Pasaron de lanza. 5 teaspoons. They lied. I think it was supposed to be more water. Okay, it's getting pasty now. There you go. Ya, ajá, así. Eso mero. Sí me gusta. All right, you guys, it's now looking very pasty. Okay? Okay. Just kidding. Look at this, you guys. It's looking a lot more pasty. That is what we wanted. So, just keep mixing. And do not try it with a plastic fork because it's just not gonna happen. Like, stop being lazy. Go get yourself or prepare yourself with a proper utensil and not a plastic one. Who would do that? Me, of course. Wheel. I'm liking this. I'm liking this. Me está gustando. ¿Cómo está quedando esto? ¿Ven? Mintieron. Tenía que ser más de 5 cucharadas de agua. Yep, this is pasty. You want to get creative, just add blue or green food coloring. ¿Quieren darle color? Pónganle el color verde o azul. O del color que quieran. Yo no tengo ganas de ir a la Walmart a comprar color y mejor me quedo con blanco. Alright, this is looking good. It's time to pour it. Alright, let's see. You're blocking the view. Okay, y'all can see this, right? Yep, okay, cool. Alright, so... Ingyasu. Oh my gosh, el color se ve como color perlita. I like it. Ingyasu. ¿Quién más quiere? Espérate, man. Bueno, ya saben, al refrigerador para que se hagan cubitos. Y después de esto, que se congelen, cada vez que te bañes, que entres a bañar, o lo pones en un plato hondo. Once they're frozen, you put it either in a bowl or al lado del drenaje, like right by the drain. 30 minutes, ¿ok? Media hora antes de que se metan a bañar, ¿ok? ¿Ok? Bueno, ya los veo más al ratito cuando ya me vaya a meter a bañar después de que esto se congele. I'll be back after these are frozen so we can hop in the shower and see how they work. Según dicen que ya que el agua lo va a empezar a disolver y tú respira profundo, ¿vale? So they said that once the water hits the cubes, it's going to start to dissolve and you just breathe it all in, honey. Breathe it all in. It's going to start working its magic. So we're going to give this a try, okay? I'll see you guys later. Ahí los guacho al ratito, ¿eh? Bye. 30 minutes later, I did not film the part where you can see it's dissolved, but it was, and supposedly you're supposed to smell it as you're in the shower showering. I was not smelling anything, so I decided to grab the container and see if I can smell it close to me because it was just not in the air and I just couldn't smell it. Then, as I finished showering, I thought maybe I should just bring it in instead of waiting the 30 minutes prior to showering. And that's exactly what I did. Sorry about that, but the water was cold when I turned it on, so had to get to the right temperature. Well, that was the DIY Vaporu Shower Cubes, and I had to go use more cubes to test it out because the procedures did say to use 1 cube and throw it in there 30 minutes before you shower, meaning have the shower running 30 minutes before you shower. So that's what I understood about it, and it was not doing anything for me. I did leave it on cold because I didn't want the warm water to run out. And yeah, I literally had the water running for 30 minutes before I hopped in the shower, and it wasn't doing, I couldn't smell. I don't know if my nose is that bad, but it wasn't doing anything for me. So literally after I showered, I thought, hey, why not just try the rest of the cubes that I have and literally just use them while I'm in the shower, as I'm in the shower. And I honestly did, I did, smell that, smell the effect of the Vaporu when I did that, as opposed to waiting 30 minutes prior. So that did work. The only thing maybe that I could have done better was used more Vaporu so it can smell more, because apparently the amount that I used, it wasn't enough. I mean, I did smell it, but it could have been stronger, and for my congested nose, it's been like that for so long. I think I could have used a lot more for it to actually work for me, but at least now I know. So yeah, that is my review on the shower cubes. And I don't know if you guys have tried this at home, or if you guys are going to try this at home, please come back to this video. Let me know in the comments below if it worked for you, or if you what worked for you, how did it work for you, if it did, if it didn't. Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, so that was me trying the shower cubes because I still have a congested nose, but I'm gonna be doing these shower cubes. I'm gonna be doing these shower cubes more often and find out if they're gonna end up working for me or not. Oh, I did see someone have a eucalyptus like necklace in their shower. So I might try that actually. It's not a bad idea. Eucalyptus, smelling that while I'm showering, I don't know, I can imagine it. And it was huge. It was like a huge necklace. Maybe I'll find one on the internet and I'll post it here for you guys to see. I've never seen that ever, but when I did, I was like, wow, maybe I should try this. So that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you, my loves, for watching, and I will see you guys I just wanted you guys to see that because if you guys were looking at the camera moving, I kind of wanted you guys to know why. And also because I just think Teddy's so funny sometimes. But anyways, that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Make sure to like this if you like my DIYs or when I review hacks, beauty hacks, life hacks. Give this a thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye. Peace. You're so funny, Teddy. What are you doing?